welcome back to our channel. Today we're here with some kind of box. My dad knows what they're called, I forgot.
We're back with another Funko Pop mystery box. This is from Freddy's box. So just like everything, there's a chance of grails, stuff like that. If you get a grail with this one, it has a ticket that says you got a grail. There's 5 like normal boxes, and then there's a blacklight exclusive box. So hopefully we don't get a blacklight that we already have, but if we do, it's still cool anyway.
And it's gonna be mine.
Oh boy. Crack into this and see. I don't know how they're set. I don't know if they're
pull them out
in boxes or okay, so they're in individual boxes. So
I'm gonna pull the boxes.
Yeah, so just grab me one and I'll open them up. So and they're in cases here. Let's see. Try to show you guys first.
No.
What?
I want to use that.
I got it.
I'm gonna open up the box.
This is a common.
So it's regular?
It's Candyman from the horror movie Candyman.
I'm opening the boxes because they're easy. That one looks different than all the others.
Yeah.
Oh, there's candy.
Alright, so Riley's got the next one. Go ahead, open that up. We'll switch off and on here.
Ow.
I'll hold the bottom. So
my cut hurts because it hit me. Look.
Oh, this is a rare. Riley pulled a rare. That's cool. Oh, it's the Oswald Cobblepot Chase. This is from the new Batman coming out. That's a pretty cool one. Alright, mine. Let's see.
Guys, it comes with candy.
This is a common.
Guys, it comes with candy. I see some Skittles.
This is from Avengers Mech Strike, the Captain Marvel. Mecha Captain Marvel there.
It comes with candy.
That's cool.
My turn.
Yep, here I'll hold this part. You want to pull the top tab.
My cut hurt so bad from the last one.
It's alright. And a common. This is Brett Michaels. That one.
See, guys? Skittles.
Whoa.
Mini pack of Skittles. Yummy, wummy.
Alright. And here we go. This is uncommon.
So it's not a common?
No, it's a special edition Super Saiyan Goku with energy from Dragon Ball Z. So this one should be the blacklight.
I might have to go get the blacklight.
You can go get the blacklight real quick first so we can shine it on it, see what it looks like.
Maybe it's a blacklight.
I'm hoping it's what the box says. If it is, that's pretty cool because we don't have that one yet. But I'm not sure if it is or if it's put in the sorter after or something like that.
Got it.
Oh, cool. It is what I thought it was. So it's an ultra rare. It's the Joker.
Let's shine it for you guys. Dad, can you hold it while I shine it?
Shines up real cool under black light.
Mm-hmm. Look at his shoes down there.
Yeah, see, he's shining up. Glowing pretty good.
Remember that other one? That one does it pretty good. This one is just like that one. I want to eat the candy right now.
Alright, we'll check some values real quick.
Daddy, can I eat these when we're doing it?
You can wait. It's alright.
No. Dad, please. Dad. Please.
Can't scan it.
You can't scan that? Stop. Pick.
This
Joker.
one... I can't find it. Hold on here.
Yeesha. Yeesha. I'm eyeballing this. If any of you guys like Skittles, comment down below because I know I do.
$13 on this one. So I'm probably not going to be very much here.
Dad, can I have these?
$13 again.
Dad, can I please eat these?
Handyman's $9. I'm gonna have to look up Joker a different way in a second here. The Captain Marvel's $9.
Give me it.
Oswald Cobblepot is $18.
They're like mini
And then-
Skittles.
We'll look up this real quick. Joker.
Joker. Like that Joker.
That one's 40.
Joker. Oh my
40
gosh.
for that one. But alright, that's pretty much gonna do it for today.
I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Bye.
Bye.
Mwah.